Wee! Check it out. Check it out. Look at the mess. All right, let's go. Come on. It's a couple more. I seen a couple more. There's a little bitty one right there. Let me see what else we got. Oh, wee. Oh, man. Looky there. Oh, man. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, man. These are orange tender sweet watermelons. So these will actually be orange on the inside. I got another patch of here. But this patch ain't doing too good because of this stupid tree. So, I mean, these are Georgia rattlesnakes. These will be regular red watermelons, but they'll be huge. But they are growing slow. I got one up here, I know. But see that? See there? I just don't know. I hope they make it.